The last time I checked, campaign ended long ago. We are talking about governance. And this is what governance is all about. Reaching out to the grassroots, the people who voted you, going back to them to hear their heartbeats. That is what matters, and that's why I'm here today. And you remember that there is issue about palliative distribution. My own method of distributing palliative is this. Formerly, when things like this happen in an area like Abuja, people don't even know there's anything like that taking place. But you can see in segments, we are meeting all the tribal chiefs, all the different groups, organizations that should actually get this palliative, because the way it stands now, Nigeria is really in pains. You know, people are in pains. A lot of things are going. It's not that this palliative is going to do anything. But when they see those who they have elected to represent them coming to them at the same time, there is this hope that something will be done to change what is happening presently.
Okay, the people will be happy today giving them this kind of palliative to them at your constituents. Yes. You know, recently there is an allegation in your party that a lot of party members, yes, they are corrupt, yes, that they wanted to grab the power, yes, and then put the nation into a further chaos. Mm-hmm. What do you have to say about this allegation to your party? Are you a member?
Now, let me say this. In Nigeria as it stands, people thrive in causing confusion. And whenever there is anything good, people will want to paint it black. People will want to destroy it. When something is good, there is somebody is bad for, that is not benefiting from something that is good. So, are you telling me that today, knowing how people cherish Labour Party, knowing how our leader in Labour Party still stands and remains as the only hope at this time for Nigerians, what do you expect? The only platform that he can stand on to champion this cause is what the enemies will want to destroy. So what you are seeing, self, to me might be preamble, because a lot of them will be coming up. But I can tell you that Labour's party at the end of the day will emerge victorious in all these issues. And if you say that anybody, you as an individual, I can allege something against you, does it mean that you've committed it? It's for you to prove it, whether you have committed that or not. So you cannot, so anybody can come tomorrow and say that Obi has mismanaged the fund here or the other. It's for Mr. Obi to defend himself. But not that people cannot say it. People, although in his own case, people don't have anything to say. That's why his is different. But that is not the same case with all of us here. Tomorrow you might hear my own. So prepare yourself. We are ready.
Looking at the palliative,
yes,
today, is this the end of it, or are we?
This palliative has been continuous since January, since December. Since December, palliative has been going on in badges. Palliative has been going on. If not that they are having even challenges, because the contractors that they gave this palliative to supply, when they gave them this palliative, you can see the price of the rice. It has jumped up, so they stopped. All of them are saying it's either they review it or reduce the amount or the number or anything. They cannot be able to do that, which is automatically, I think that what they want to do now is reduction, which has put some of us who have started on time in problem. Because if you have given Mr. A 2 and suddenly you say you are changing, because how would they understand it? So you will end up on your own striving to get anything that you can to make sure that everybody gets equal of what you are distributing. So that is the effect, but that is what is going on. This will go on till the month of March. We will be going it. I don't know how, not that I don't trust people, I trust. But I want to go to the grassroots myself and deliver this. That's my system. I cannot just come in an open field and the people, I can go and hire people who will bring the rice and take the rice. You know it's possible. Yes. Now people you can bring, they will come bring the rice and take the rice. So, but here, what you are seeing is tribes, groups, church, mosque, associations, and that is what the constituents is all about.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.